161. The root, lysis, indicates destruction or breakdown. True or false? Answer: true. Rationale: the root, lysis, refers to destruction or breakdown, as in thrombolysis, clot breakdown, and hemolysis, blood cell breakdown, per medical terminology. 162. The root procto- refers to the prostate. True or false? Answer: false. Rationale: the root procto- refers to the rectum or anus, as in proctoscopy, rectal examination. The root for prostate is prostato-. 163. The root, penia, indicates a deficiency. True or false? Answer: true. Rationale: the root, penia, refers to a deficiency, as in neutropenia, low neutrophils, and pancytopenia, low blood cells, per hematological terminology. 164. The root, mas- refers to the stomach. True or false? Answer: false. Rationale: the root, mas- refers to the breast, as in mastitis, breast inflammation. The root for stomach is gastric-. 165. The root, scope, indicates an instrument for viewing. True or false? Answer: true. Rationale: the root, scope, refers to an instrument for viewing, as in otoscope, ear viewer, and laparoscope, abdominal viewer, per diagnostic terminology. 166. The root, necro- refers to life. True or false? Answer: false. Rationale: the root necro- refers to death, as in necrosis, tissue death. The root for life is bio-. 167. The root, esophago- pertains to the esophagus. True or false? Answer: true. Rationale: the root, esophago- refers to the esophagus, as in esophagoscopy, esophagus examination, and esophagitis, esophagus inflammation, per gastrointestinal terminology. 168. The root, kerато- refers to the kidney. True or false? Answer: false. Rationale: the root kerато- refers to the cornea or horny tissue, as in keratoplasty, corneal repair. The root for kidney is nephro-. 169. The root, plasty, indicates surgical repair. True or false? Answer: true. Rationale: the root, plasty, refers to surgical repair, as in arthroplasty, joint repair, and dermatoplasty, skin repair, per surgical terminology. 170. The root blepharo- refers to the eyebrow. True or false? Answer: false. Rationale: the root blepharo- refers to the eyelid, as in blepharoplasty, eyelid repair. The root for eyebrow is not commonly used but may be supercilio-. 171. The root endo- indicates within or inside. True or false? Answer: true. Rationale: the root endo- means within or inside, as in endocardium, inner heart layer, and endoscopy, internal examination, per medical terminology. 172. The root tonsillo- refers to the tongue. True or false? Answer: false. Rationale: the root tonsillo- refers to the tonsils, as in tonsillitis, tonsil inflammation. The root for tongue is glosso-. 173. The root, emia, indicates a condition of the blood. True or false? Answer: true. Rationale: the root, emia, refers to a blood condition, as in leukemia, white blood cell cancer, and hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, per hematological terminology. 174. The root pharyngo- refers to the larynx. True or false? Answer: false. Rationale: the root pharyngo- refers to the pharynx, as in pharyngoscopy, pharynx examination. The root for larynx is laryngo-. 175. The root chilo- pertains to the lip. True or false? Answer: true. Rationale: the root chilo- refers to the lip, as in chylosis, lip condition, and chyloplasty, lip repair, per anatomical terminology. 176. The root spondylo- refers to the spleen. True or false? Answer: false. Rationale: the root spondylo- refers to the spine, as in spondylitis, spine inflammation. The root for spleen is spleno-. 177. The root, rage, indicates excessive flow or bursting. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root, rage, refers to excessive flow or bursting, as in hemorrhage, blood bursting, and menorrhagia, heavy menstrual flow, per medical terminology. 178. The root ilio- refers to the ilium bone. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root ilio- refers to the ilium, small intestine, as in ileitis, ilium inflammation. The root for ilium bone is ilio-. 179. The root gyneco- pertains to women or female reproductive organs. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root gyneco- refers to women or female reproductive organs, as in gynecologist, women's health specialist, per gynecological terminology. 180. The root pyloro- refers to the pancreas. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root pyloro- refers to the pylorus, stomach outlet, as in pyloromyotomy, pylorus incision. The root for pancreas is pancreato-. 181. The root dynia indicates pain. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root dynia refers to pain, as in pleurodynia, pleural pain, and gastrodynia, stomach pain, per medical terminology. 182. The root corono- refers to the cornea. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root corono- refers to the crown or coronary arteries, as in coronary, heart vessel related. The root for cornea is kerato-. 183. The root sigmoido- pertains to the sigmoid colon. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root sigmoido- refers to the sigmoid colon, as in sigmoidoscopy, sigmoid colon examination, per gastrointestinal terminology. 184. The root andro- refers to female characteristics. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root andro- refers to male characteristics, as in androgen, male hormone. The root for female is gyneco-. 185. The root phobia indicates fear. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root phobia refers to fear, as in hydrophobia, fear of water, and acrophobia, fear of heights, per psychiatric terminology. 186. The root lumbo- refers to the lung. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root lumbo- refers to the lower back or lumbar region, as in lumbar, lower back related. The root for lung is pulmo-. 187. The root seal indicates a hernia or swelling. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root seal refers to a hernia or swelling, as in encephalocele, brain hernia, and varicocele, vein swelling, per medical terminology. 188. The root duodeno- refers to the jejunum. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root duodeno- refers to the duodenum, first part of the small intestine, as in duodenitis, duodenum inflammation. The root for jejunum is jejuno-. 189. The root sacro- pertains to the sacrum. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root sacro- refers to the sacrum, as in sacroiliac, sacroiliac joint, per anatomical terminology. 190. The root phreno- refers to the pharynx. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root phreno- refers to the diaphragm or mind, as in phrenic, diaphragm related. The root for pharynx is pharyngo-. 191. The root myelo- refers to the spinal cord or bone marrow. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root myelo- pertains to the spinal cord or bone marrow, as in myelitis, spinal cord inflammation, and myeloma, bone marrow cancer, per neurological and hematological terminology. 192. The root stomato- refers to the stomach. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root stomato- refers to the mouth, as in stomatitis, mouth inflammation. The root for stomach is gastro-. 193. The root graph indicates a recording instrument or process. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root, graph, refers to a recording or the instrument used, as in encephalograph, brain recording device, per diagnostic terminology. 194. The root, aorto- refers to the lungs. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root, aorto- refers to the aorta, as in aortic, aorta-related. The root for lungs is pulmo-. 195. The root onco- pertains to tumors. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root onco- refers to tumors as in oncology, tumor study, and oncologist, tumor specialist, per oncological terminology. 196. The root trachea- refers to the esophagus. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root trachea- refers to the trachea, as in tracheitis, trachea inflammation. The root for esophagus is esophago-. 197. The root vasculo- pertains to blood vessels. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root vasculo- refers to blood vessels, as in vasculitis, vessel inflammation, per vascular terminology. 198. The root dento- refers to the gums. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root dento- refers to teeth, as in dentist, teeth specialist. The root for gums is gingivo-. 199. The root rhexis indicates rupture. True or false? Answer: true rationale. The root rhexis refers to rupture, as in cardiorhexis, heart rupture, per medical terminology. 200. The root thoraco- pertains to the abdomen. True or false? Answer: false rationale. The root thoraco- refers to the chest, as in thoracoscopy, chest examination. The root for abdomen is laparo-.